Hey guys, welcome back to channel. And yesterday we are talking about the Realme Note series are coming very soon this month. Realme ready to launch two smartphone Realme Note 1 and Realme Note 50. And today Realme Note 50 hands-on image and unboxing video are leaked. Realme Note 50 featuring a 6.74-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and the smartphone built with glass front, plastic back and plastic frame. The smartphone comes with Unisoc Tiger T6 12 SoC with 4GB of RAM up to 128GB storage. The phone comes with a dual camera setup in the back. 50 MP has a main camera and 0.08 MP secondary camera, and the front is come with a 5 MP selfie shooter, and the smartphone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger. And the good thing is the phone comes with the IP64 rating. And Realme Note 50 globally launched on 24 January 2024. By the way, Realme Note series launched in Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, Italy, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So Realme Note series not for India right now. So let me know in the comment section below your thought about Realme Note 50. That's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.